Hi guys, today we shall discuss about how to increase your typing speed. Okay, so first of all, the top of your screen should be at your eyes levels. Make sure you relax your shoulders. कंधे हैं वो आरामदायक स्थिति में हो. The chair should completely support your things. Your legs should be bent in a 90 to 110 degree angle. Your feet should be flat on the floor. Your forearms should be parallel to the floor. The chair should have a backrest that supports your lower back. Okay. First of all, adjust the chair height to so your feet are flat on the floor and your knee are in line or slightly lower with your hips. Sit up straight and keep your hips far back in the chair. The back of the chair should be somewhat reclined at a 100 to 110 degree along angle. Ensure the keyboard is close and directly in front of you. To help your neck stay relaxed in a natural position, the monitor should be directly in front of you, a few inches above eye level. Sit at least 20 inches or an arm's length away from the computer screen. Relax the shoulders and be aware of them rising toward your ears or rounding forward throughout the workday. Sight and टच मेथड. इसके मेथड होते हैं नंबर 1 साइट मेथड, नंबर 2 टच मेथड. Sight method. In the sight method, the typewriting is done by looking at the keyboard and the material which is to be typed by the operator. The operator reads a few words from the matter to be typed, types the same by looking at the keyboard, and then again reads some words and types them again and goes on repeating this process till the whole page is typed. In this method, all the fingers are not used, only the forefingers of both the hands are used and for typing in the sight method of typewriting. This method is not scientific. In this method, the operator can not concentrate on the copy. It is not good for acquiring high speed in the typewriting. Touch method क्या होता है? Touch typing is a method of typing without the use of the sense of sight or simplify by feeling the keyboard. However, the sense of touch is only slightly involved since this typing method is governed by muscle memory through rigorous training with the proper typing method. This way, the fingers get so used to typing that they instantly go to the appropriate keys without the typist needing to see or even feel around the keyboard. Okay, ये आपके हाथ दिखा रखे हैं, लेफ्ट हैंड से इधर वाली और राइट हैंड से इधर वाली. तो ये जो बीच में है वो होम रो बोलेंगे, अपर रो और नीचे बॉटम रो ये स्पेस बार हो गया, और ये आपके न्यूमेरिक्स की होगी. उसके बाद होम रो क्या होता है? दी होम रो keys are the row of keys on the computer keyboard. Your finger rests on when not typing. For example, on the standard QWERTY United States keyboard. The home row keys for your left hand are ASDFG and your right hand are semicolon LKJH. Left index finger will touch F and G. Right index finger will touch J and H. ये अपर रो है, ठीक है, और ये है बॉटम रो ZXCVB। और उसके बाद आपका शिफ्ट कीज़ ए modifier key on a keyboard used to type capital letters and one alternate upper character. There are typically two shift keys on the left and right sides of the row below the home row. The keys on which see number. तो जो सब शिफ्ट की है उसके बारे में एक बात याद रखें कि अगर हमने लेफ़्ट हैंड वाले अक्षर टाइप करने हैं तो राइट हैंड वाली शिफ्ट की दबाइए, और राइट हैंड वाले अक्षर टाइप करने हैं तो लेफ़्ट हैंड वाले अक्षर की दबाइए, ठीक है। तो गाइस, ये था आपका वेरी वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर टाइपिंग का, और थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग वीडियो।